AFCI breakers are designed to detect arc faults, which can occur when insulation breaks down and current leaks to ground. The motor in an exhaust fan can create electrical noise that trips the AFCI-sensitive circuitry. The motor's electrical fluctuations may mimic the arcing pattern, triggering the AFCI breaker. Firstly, check the wiring connections between the exhaust fan and the electrical box. Loose wires or faulty splices can cause intermittent problems that may trigger the AFCI. Ensure all connections are tight and insulated properly. Secondly, while less common, the AFCI breaker itself may be malfunctioning. Replace the breaker with a new one of the same type and amperage to rule out this possibility. Thirdly, the exhaust fan may have a defective capacitor that creates electrical interference. Replace the capacitor with a new one of the same type and value. To troubleshoot, follow these steps. 1. Isolate the fan. Disconnect the exhaust fan from the circuit to confirm if it is the source of the issue. If the AFCI no longer trips after removing the fan is likely the culprit. 2. Check wiring. Inspect the wiring on both sides of the exhaust fan and electrical box for any damage or loose connections. Tighten or repair any issues as needed. 3. Replace the breaker. If the fan is determined to be the cause and wiring is not the issue, try replacing the AFCI breaker with a new one. 4. Replace the fan capacitor. If the above steps do not resolve the problem, consider replacing the exhaust fan's capacitor. It's recommended that you move the bathroom lighting circuit to a non-AFCI protected circuit. This is not required by code, and the bathroom does not present the same arc fault risk as other areas of the house.